Alright, so anyway, in this video, I want to show you what the device right here does. You see it's got little arrows up and down and an M in the middle. Well, one of the things that it does is if I push it, it changes the direction of the camera. You see that? So you can put it wherever you want, right? Alright, this can also do a zoom and a pullback. Let's try and see if we can do it. All right, let's go. So now it's getting closer, right? Watch. Now I'm going to go backwards. You see that? So I can go like 180 degrees, or I can tighten it up and get closer. Or I can come back. Just like that. And the way you do that is just by clicking this. And then now, it should move the camera head. Right? And back. So there it is. The camera moves and back. Now if I click it, let me have it pointing in the front. So now it's pointing front, right? Now if I click it, now I can do zoom in tight, or I can go out. And to do that, all I do is click the device on the side. All right, so that's this right here. If I click it again, I go back to moving the camera. Oh, maybe not. Oh, there it is. There it goes. All right, and so that's how you use this device right here. You can zoom with it, or you can pan in and pan out, and you can also move the direction of your camera. You can do selfies or whatever you want. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this right here. Peace out.